Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Coach Rob. It's the 28th of November 2019. This is actually a viewer request. Jared Baines came up with the idea of doing chicken strip burgers, so we're going to use our chicken fingers here. We're going to put it in the air fryer. We got our buns here, we're going to steam them. But Jared Baines, back in 2015, this is him, I believe that's grade 11 or 12 for Jared, and he was one of the top race walkers in the island there. Made it to the BC Championships that were in Langley that year. This is June 6, 2015, about 1 p.m. And the great coach he had is Coach Helen. She's one of the top race walk coaches in all of Canada. She said many people of all ages go to national programs. There's been some of her athletes have even gone to the Olympic Games and represented Canada, Pan Am Games, World Championships and stuff. And she's a race walker herself, and she's won medals and all over the world competing for herself and Canada in different games and stuff. Myself and Turnbull, the other coaches of the team, we're not really that familiar with race walk. Turnbull is a little more than I am, but so we let her run the race walk program, and she helps at all the local high schools too, and she's with clubs and stuff. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the air fryer set up to put the chicken fingers in the air fryer, and we'll get our water almost steaming, so we'll be back in a sec. Okay, we got our chicken fingers here. We're going to put them in the air fryer, and we got the active air fryer over here, and you've all seen this before now, the episodes. We're going to take the agitator out for this one. I'm going to put it over here on the counter. And up here, as you saw in the episode where we did the steamed hot dogs, we got the active air fryer basket, and it just sits in here, right? It just sits in there like that, and that closes. And we're gonna preheat it for maybe a minute or so. Then we'll put our chicken fingers in there, and we'll get the buns out and the mayonnaise. We'll do all that kind of stuff. Thanks. As you can see, we got our chicken fingers there, and somewhere here I got a guide on how long we're going to cook them in there. We'll find the information after we take this quick pause. So I just Googled it here, and what it said was how long to cook the chicken fingers in the air fryer. It says 12 minutes, flipping them after 6 minutes each. But it also said sprit the basket with your favorite cooking spray, which I didn't know we have to do that, but we'll just do that a little bit, I guess that's just so it doesn't stick to the basket. So we're gonna put we've got 6 fingers because we're gonna put 3 in each burger, and after 6 minutes we'll turn it over like it says, but we're definitely gonna check it with the temperature wise too, because they got to be cooked to like a temperature too. So is that right? Is that?
Yep.
That's 6 there, so we'll do it like that. Move that guy there. Okay, so we're gonna check back in 6 minutes. As you can see, the first 6 minutes is almost up, so we'll wait till that expires. We got our pot here that's gonna be to steam the buns like we did the other day. So what we're going to do now is we're going to stop that. We're going to set kitchen timer another 6 minutes, and we'll turn all these over, right? Because it doesn't turn over by itself, right? But naturally, after the 6 minutes are up, we're going to temp them There you go.
It's looking good.
So we're going to shut that. It will automatically start again. We'll see in about 6 minutes. Thanks. Okay, as you can see, we're down to the last 15, 16 seconds. So what we're going to do is we're going to temp them. Then if they're ready, we're going to leave them in there when we steam our buns in here. We're all ready to go here. So that's good enough. 2 seconds doesn't make a difference. Okay, so we're going to go over here. What might make a difference? So we're going to go over here. These have to be cooked to 165 Fahrenheit or 75 in the Celsius world. Okay, and they're looking good. But we just got to make sure Oh, we gotta turn it on. You know, it's not quite actually. It was only about 155. Right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna temp this one. That's 171. This one over here wasn't like so. We're gonna give it like another. We're gonna give it like another minute. Like I'm pretty sure we're good, but we're gonna give it another minute, like because it was pretty close. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna. Well, that's getting us extra 30 seconds or a minute. We're gonna put that there. We're gonna steam the buns up in the steamer there, and they're not in there that long, you guys. Like when they go in, right? It only takes a few seconds to steam them, like. So we're gonna open the bun up. We're gonna put it in there like that, right? Then we're gonna get this one, and we're gonna put him or her there. And we're gonna like not do it that long in there at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one last break, then we're done. We'll have them all buttered up and martinized over here. Okay, thanks. Okay, we're gonna get our chicken fingers out. As you see the buns, we've got the mayonnaise on. This was Shannon's bun, that was on the top. This was on the bottom, my bun. And they weren't in there very long. As soon as we turned the camera off, we pulled them out. But mine showed up a bit more, so next time we do this, we're gonna do like one bun at a time because it does it so fast. Like, right. So what we're gonna do is we always like to get everything all official here, right? You know what? These ones might only need 2 per bun, but we did 3 anyway. We can always have one on the side. So we're gonna put Shannon's chicken finger there, right? 2 chicken fingers, and we'll give her one on the side there. Oh!
Careful.
Careful, Charlie. And we're put our chicken fingers right there, and we're gonna grab some. We're gonna grab a bag of chips here to go with our meal, and we got the. This is gonna be interesting to try these Kettle brand chips from the grocery store. In this case, Country Grocer, New York Cheddar chips. We're gonna put some in the bowl, and we'll have some on the side. So thank you once again. Please like and subscribe, and please share this video and check out the videos. There's videos on my channel too, Island Thrifter Hunters, and please like and share. And that's a wrap for the 28th day of November 2019. And Shannon, do you want to say any words?
You're doing a great job on these videos, Rob.
Okay, and you're a great job on the cameraman. Oh, hang on. We still have the cane. I saw the doctor this morning, and he says still rest up for another week or so. Like don't do anything too strenuous. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks.